Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna share to you guys how I created this strawberry makeup look. So first things first, I'm gonna pop these lenses on. These are from TDDI and I have a coupon code in which you can access it on the link on the description box. And next I'm gonna apply some toner and moisturizer. This is my skin prep. And since I have monolids, I'm gonna stick these eyelid tapes in which gives me like double eyelids. And remember to pull a little so it like bites, if that makes sense. Next, I'm gonna apply my favorite cushion. This is from YSL and I love this cushion because it has like a glowy effect, and I apply it all over, focusing on the mid section of my face and blend it to the like outer portion of my face. Since this is a strawberry makeup look, I'm gonna apply blush all over my cheeks and a little on my nose. And then I'm gonna blend it all using my favorite beauty sponge. And remember to dab instead of like dragging it all over, since it's gonna mess around the foundation beneath it. Normally, I would apply concealer and then blush, but since I want this look to be more flush and more natural, so I just apply like a very little amount of concealer on my face. And this is a local brand in which I love very much. I use a slightly lighter color and I apply it on like my under eyes and a little on my nose to highlight my nose and my chin, and a little on my acne scars. Next, I'm gonna apply my favorite loose powder ever, but I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes like to set the concealer, and a little on my T-zone because I don't want everything to be like overly shiny and overly matte. I just powdered these parts. As for blush, I'm gonna apply my favorite hot pink shade from it, and I'm just gonna apply it on where I applied my blush earlier. And now we move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply this very beige biscuit like shade all over my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it using this very pale bone like shade all over my crease. And to darken my lids even further, I'm gonna use this very cool toned nude shade, and I'm gonna blend it all over my under eyes as well. I wanted to incorporate some kind of redness but not too much, so it's like slightly muted, so I chose this color and applied it all over my under eyes and further extending it to create some sort of cat eye. And next is the part that I love the most. I'm gonna create an aegyosal, so I'm gonna use these shades and then I'm gonna blend it using a blending brush because it was way too harsh. And now you can see how much of a difference it makes. And then I'm gonna make like a fake waterline, but it's gonna be like very subtle, so I just use the same eyeshadow I used. As for the eyeliner, I wanted it to be very subtle, so I used a gel liner to tight line and then create a very soft wing on the edges. For the brows, I wanted it to look very natural. That's why I used this Peri Pera brow thingy in ash gray, because it looks very natural, although it may seem quite hard to use at first. And then I'm gonna set it using the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel, and I'm gonna brush it downwards and then brush it upwards to where they belong. And then I'm gonna prep my eyelashes by curling it like 3 times right from the bottom, and then the middle section, and then upwards. For mascara, I'm gonna use, it's a local brand from Indonesia. It's called Rose All Day, and this is my favorite mascara of the moment. And so I'm gonna use like a pin set to clamp my lashes upwards, because this is my lazy way of doing K-Idol lashes. I'm gonna create a separate tutorial on this later, so please stay tuned. And then I'm gonna apply brown mascara and then an eyeshadow stick as highlighter. Also, I'm gonna apply it on my Cupid's bow. When I checked myself out in the mirror, I felt like this makeup look was lacking something, so I added some liquid eyeliner. It's from Nature Republic and it's in the color brown. As for the contour, I heard that contouring like vertically is best for Asian faces, and I'm using this contour palette from Judy Doll. It's in the shade Cool, and then I'm gonna contour my nose. And next, I'm gonna apply, this is my favorite lip shade from Florte. It's in Strawberry Icing. I'm gonna apply using the applicator and then blend using my fingertips. And then I'm gonna ombre it using this Fair & Bliss Lip Velvet in shade Cherish Delight. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.